Air quality is as crucial as the care provided in a dental office. But how often do you worry about the unseen, airborne threats? Every dental procedure releases microorganisms into the air. From simple cleanings to invasive surgeries, these airborne pathogens pose a risk to both patients and staff. Standard air filtration systems aren't enough. They might capture, but not effectively destroy, these threats, leaving your dental office vulnerable to many health issues. Enter AirROS Surface and Air Purification System. This advanced system does more than filter air. It actively neutralizes airborne pathogens, ensuring a safer, healthier environment for your dental practice. With AirROS, you're not just removing contaminants, but actively purifying your office space, providing an extra layer of protection against germs and viruses. This means a cleaner, fresher atmosphere for your team and patients. Don't compromise on health. Upgrade your dental office with AirROS and provide your patients and staff the safety they deserve. Visit our website and transform your dental practice today.